Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a rich and fluffy devil's food cake using a classic butter-based method. This cake is all about deep chocolate flavor, a tender crumb, and a soft melt in your mouth texture. Let me show you step by step on how I put everything together. As you can see, I've already creamed my butter off camera until it's soft and fluffy. I've also added the sugar and I'm continuing to cream it until it's fully incorporated. This step ensures the cake will be light, airy, and have a smooth texture. Once the sugar and butter are evenly blended, we are ready to add the eggs. I added all 6 eggs at once. At first, I fold them into the creamed butter and sugar with a spatula to combine gently. Then, to make sure everything is fully incorporated and smooth, I switched to using a hand mix and I continued mixing till it's well incorporated. Next, I go in with my vanilla flavor. Here I'm adding 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract to enhance the chocolate flavor. Mix thoroughly to ensure it's fully combined. I've already measured the flour and cocoa powder into the sieve, making sure they are light and even. Next, I add 2 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda, which will help the cake rise beautifully. So here, the brand of baking soda that I use is called Baker's Choice. You can get it in any bakery store around you. I also include a teaspoon of sorbic acid to extend the cake's shelf life. You can get this from any bakery store around you. And also, I go in with a 3/4 teaspoon of salt to balance the flavors. Sifting all these ingredients together into the bowl is an important step. It removes any lumps, ensures everything is evenly combined, and adds a bit of air to make the mixture light. This careful preparation creates a smooth, uniform dry mix, perfectly ready to be incorporated into the batter, giving the cake an even, tender crumb throughout. I carefully add the dry ingredients to the creamed butter, sugar, eggs, and vanilla, a little at a time, ensuring each batch is fully incorporated and the mixture has a nice thick consistency. Once that is achieved, I pour in all of the milk in one go. With a steady hand, I mix until the batter transforms into a smooth, silky, and perfectly loose consistency, just right for dividing evenly into my prepared cake pans. This is exactly how a well-balanced, expertly mixed cake batter should feel. I prepare my cake pans by greasing them and lining the bottoms with baking paper, ensuring the cakes won't stick and will release easily later. You can also choose to lightly flour the pans for extra security. I pour the batter evenly into each pan and gently level it about halfway. As you can see, there's a lot of air bubbles in our batter. A careful tap on the counter helps release any trapped air bubbles, setting the stage for a beautifully even bake. The cakes go into a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. They are done when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. After cooling completely, I gently loosen the edges and turn the cakes out. The tops are smooth and the crumb is soft and tender, and the color is beautifully dark. And there you have it, a rich, buttery, deeply chocolatey devil's food cake made from scratch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious baking videos. See you in the next video. Bye.